Hello, welcome to another video from our YouTube channel. We have this lovely white Mercedes A250 2014 in. This is the W176 model. No reverse camera. Great little car, very popular. You see them all the time on the road, but no reverse camera. So we're going to add a reverse camera on the back, and we're going to integrate it into the factory stereo display. Plus, we will be fitting a front and rear dash cam from GNET. So if you've got a Mercedes A-Class, or any Mercedes to be honest, looks similar to this. You've got that screen, but no reverse camera. We can add a camera to that original system. So this is what you get now from Mercedes. So we'll show you what happens when we put the vehicle into reverse. Absolutely nothing. So it's got parking sensors all around, front and rear. Let's just try that one more time just in case it didn't activate for any reason. No, so nothing. So we've got no display on there at all. Just got those sensor colours at the front on the top of the dash and at the rear in the headlining. So we're going to put a camera into that, and we're going to keep the sensors on the display. Okay, welcome back. We've worked our magic. Let's show you around this vehicle and show you how this operates. So if we jump in, start her up. So if you remember, when you put it in reverse, you've got your parking sensor display on the top of the dash and at the back. There's the new dash cam, the GNET G-on-X that we fitted, front and rear. There's the rear. So, standard Mercedes system. And there's your parking sensors on the top of the dash. So we've not changed any of that. And the one that's at the top there for the rear sensors. But now, when you put the vehicle into reverse, you get our absolutely crystal clear camera, but there's a picture of a car on the right hand side, and that will show you the optical sensors. So if anything moved around the car while you're driving, it'll beep and show you on the car. And you can see we've put active guidelines in here as well when you turn the steering wheel to show you where your vehicle will end up when you're reversing. Great for parking into parking spaces. So as you can see, it's absolutely crystal clear. Look at that. See an object moving behind. You're not going to miss anything. Not going to damage your lovely car. Take it out of reverse. Off it goes. Very simple to use. Very effective. So if I show you an object now on the back. So we'll show you the camera first, and then I'll show you an object outside. So there's the camera. So I haven't shown you the camera yet. So there's the camera. You wouldn't even know it was there. Very discreet, very neat and tidy. And then if I put an object behind, what I want to show you is the optical parking sensors. And while I'm here, I might as well show you the rear camera as well. So there's the GNET G-on-X rear dash cam. All wired into the rubber grommets there, all following the factory wiring. So no loose cables hanging around everywhere. And there's the front. Show you from inside. All wiring straight up into the roof lining, powered into the vehicle's fuse board. So no ugly cables all over the dash, plugged into cigarette sockets, that kind of thing. All professionally installed. So if I go and put an object behind this vehicle, I want to show you the sensors. So obviously the sensors that are on top of the dash that illuminated, and the sensors that's on the rear of the vehicle in the top roof lining, they'll all still illuminate. But we're also, the car, when you get close to an object, if you remember, the reverse camera popped up and there was a picture of a car on the right hand side. The car will then show you that there's an object there as well with the sensors. So if we put our bin here, so let's just think that was a bollard or something. Not that you're going to miss this with the reversing camera, but it's just nice now that we've managed to keep the parking, or put the parking sensors into a visual display as well. So let's put this into reverse. So you can see the object and you can see the white car on the right hand side. So if we reverse up to that white car, when we get very close, the car will then let you know that there's an object. There you go. And that does it for the front as well. So if someone walked around the car, and as I said, you've got your lights there as well, so they still illuminate too, but you get also that visual reference on the dash, which is brilliant.